This is the Blistex Collar Ring. It upgrades the Blistex Lip Medex container, making it convenient to carry around and easily accessible for when you need it. The inside diameter threads matches the container threads, making installation and removing the collar ring easy and convenient. The stripes on top must face you when screwing on the collar ring. For a successful installation, make sure the collar ring is aligned properly when twisting down. And then make sure the cap is twisted on snug and you're done. Enjoy.